Good morning, it's Tuesday 14th of June 2022. We've just loaded the Rpra 1 Loft young birds. It's the first time, so it's I was going to load them last week but never got around to it, but we'll have a good week weather-wise this week, so we'll get them loaded up and come on then. I've levelled the trailer, we're just going to put the water on. I'll be on here for a couple of hours. It takes them at least 4 times to sort of get used to what's going on. Settle down, the load in as well. And then after about 8 times they're not too bad then. Load in and what have you. Yeah, I'll be loading them. Well, me and James will be loading them as much as possible now. And then we'll start taking them short tosses as we do every year, and then build them up to the 40-mile toss. But yeah, they loaded, took a couple of hours to load them, but the first time is always that way, nice and steady. The yearling cocks, they've been out just over an hour. The hens went out first thing. I must say the cocks are have started to fly a lot better this week. But yeah, and then be looking to go to Anwick from Sunday onwards. Looking at the weather, it could be Monday. But I'll let you know nearer the time. It just depends on the weather, the birds will be ready. So we're only, there's the lofts over there, we're just in the next field. It's all about education of settling them down at the moment. There you go, you've had a good look, and the young birds, our update as we move along. All the best everyone, have a great day.